છોકરાઓના બિહેવિયર્સ કેવા હોય છે, એ કઈ રીતે વર્તન કરે છે, તેનું અમને થોડું અમને બિહેવિયર અને વર્તન પરથી દેખાઈ આવે છે કે આ સબ્જેક્ટની અસર થઈ રહી છે. અને જ્યારે પણ એમને જ્યારે પૂછવામાં આવે કે આપ કેમ આવી રીતે કેવું લાગી રહ્યું છે, કે સર આ પેન્ડેમિક સિચ્યુએશનની અંદર આ આઈપીડીસી સબ્જેક્ટ અને ભણાવવામાં આવતું અમને એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલમ નોલેજ જે મળે છે તેના દ્વારા આ બદલાવ અમારા જીવનની અંદર જોઈ રહ્યા છે.
Whenever I have to contact industry in past, all the industrialists or recruiters are talking about employability skills. Employability skills includes soft skills and hard skills. So how to build soft skill, that will be covered by this subject IPDC. And after conducting this session, I have communicate with my students, and all the students have given the fruitful response. Now they are ready to talk with recruiter, ready to talk with the market persons, and ready to talk with the faculties with a good confidence. The basic bridge between industry and academia can be fulfilled through this subject.
શરૂઆતમાં હું ઘણી ગભરાતી હતી કોઈ પણ કાર્ય કરવા માટે કે લોકો શું કહેશે, પરંતુ આઈપીડીસી સબ્જેક્ટમાં લર્નિંગ ફ્રોમ લેજન્ડ નામના ચેપ્ટર થ્રુ મને ઘણું એવું શીખવા મળ્યું અને હવે હું કોઈપણ પરવા કર્યા વિના હું મારા બધા કામો ખૂબ જ સારી રીતે કરી શકું છું. કારણ કે પહેલા દિવસે લોકો વાતો કરશે, બીજા દિવસે લોકો મજાક કરશે અને ત્રીજા દિવસે લોકો ભૂલી જશે. સો આઈ ડુ વોટ માય હાર્ટ સેઝ. આઈપીડીસી સબ્જેક્ટ થ્રુ મને ઘણી એવી મારી ખોટી ટેવો સુધારવાનો મોકો મળ્યો છે અને હું એ સુધારી પણ શકી છું. આઈપીડીસી સબ્જેક્ટ થ્રુ હું ઘણી એવી આદતો સુધારી શકી છું.
I'm here to share my reviews on a best great subject like IPDC. It have bestowed my life with great virtues and manners in a best way. It also shows me how to manage my relations with my family, friends, relatives, and how to represent myself in the society. And it also taught me how to represent myself in a society in a better way. It also taught me how to manage my time and my financial things and how to deal with the present scenario. It also shows me the life in a better way, in a deep way, to face the problems regarding my studies and my career. IPDC taught me the essence of life in a better way.
We all are witnessing that nowadays it is really important to take care of our mental health. Even taking care of our mental health has become more difficult compared to our physical health. And at this time, this subject is medicine to our mental health growth. As we all are already on the way towards our career, but at this age, I think that it is equally important to build a good personality also. And this subject is helping us in this too. This subject has increased the boundaries of my understanding. This subject has made me thought very broadly. Not only this subject has taught me so many useful points that will help me in future to build my proper process towards a successful career, but also it has taught me the importance of mutual relationships and also help me to maintain the mutual relationships with our loved ones at our home, with our friends. These subjects really fulfill the true meaning of teaching with fun and no boredom.
The best things that I learned from the subject IPDC, I call them MWM, means management with manners. Whether it is about time management, project management, or financial management, I have learned various things about different management from this subject. Like if I'm talk about time management, from the chapter Learning from Legends Tata and Tendulkar, the story of Ratan Tata inspired me a lot about the time management, how they manage tons of time and their meetings in a very pretty and a simple manner. Teach me the importance of time, and which helps me a lot for my career. The subject IPDC is like a game changer for my career.
The chapter Power of Habit, I came to know that if I develop a good habit in a nourishing way and keep it continuous throughout 21 days, it will be accomplished in my whole life. I should spend less time on social media and invest that much time in studies. If I do that, it will be very beneficial to me. IPDC in one word, it would be changing perspectives one at a time.
From this subject, I have learned a lot, like personal development, personal growth. IPDC સબ્જેક્ટ પરથી મને ઘણી બધી વેલ્યુઝ શીખવા મળી છે. ફ્રોમ માય પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂ, IPDC સબ્જેક્ટ ઇઝ the best subject for personality development and growth.
We have been learning this subject from past 6 months, and this subject has given me very much beneficial in my day-to-day life. This subject teaches me how to improve my habits, how to reconstruct myself, and many more things. Every single topic in this subject has given me important message to learn. This subject also inspires me that if we want to get success in our life, then it is very important to keep self-trust. In IPDC book, there are many thoughts which have changed my perspective.
Unleashing inner potential.